Hi, good morning. Hi, Mika. Hi, Sanvi. How are
Hi, Ma.
you?
I'm good.
Very good. How are you, Mika?
Good.
Very good. Are you enjoying the
Yeah.
activities which we are doing? Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm very much happy to hear this. Very good. Keep it up, kids.
Man,
Okay.
we need a palette and a mixer.
Yes, we will be needing a palette. We will be needing the watercolor brushes. We will be needing
Ma'am, actually,
watercolors.
I can't mix in these. Actually,
What, dear?
I can't mix because I don't have like creamy colors. I only have water mixable colors.
Yeah. We want only water mixable colors only because we are doing with vegetables, right? Today our session's name is vegetable printing, right? So I'll be needing water based colors only. Yes, yeah, yes, proper. Yeah. So your art sheet or drawing sheet, okay? I will be cutting it right now in front of you so that you can keep a check that whether you have done it is right or wrong. Okay? And no problem if it is wrong, I can say you the design in that also. Okay, no problem, absolutely. Okay, a bowl of water, just in case you have to just roll on with the another color. So you need to rub that color and a rough cloth, your watercolors. Okay, that's it for this session. Okay,
But you also
so
said a sketch pen.
yeah, sketch pen will be requiring at the end of the session.
Okay.
Okay, because whatever we are doing the design, we will give a good border to that. Okay,
Okay. Is it
okay,
this? Is it this one?
yes, those are water soluble colors only, dear. Okay, yes. So now I am placing my mobile so that you can see my art sheet that what has to be done. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, give me a minute. Yes, can you see my art sheet?
Yeah.
Okay, so first I will say you I'm going to cut. See, this is my onion. So I have to cut it round. So exactly I am cutting it from the center so
Oh,
that I am
actually, I
getting a
cut it like this.
round part. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm getting a round part like this. Okay. Now, potato. Okay. I have cut a slice. Now, I am cutting it as we use in the French fries. As we use in the French fries. Okay?
क्या उसकी ग्लास चल रही है आदर यहाँ पे ऐसी गर्मी थी 3 दिन से खाया ना गर्मी
See,
थी
this straight. Okay? Yes, yes, absolutely proper. Yes, absolutely proper. Keep it inverted down and this cutted part of you can potato you can keep it as it is. Onion you can keep it inverted down. Okay? First of all, my dear kids, on your art sheet, draw the border as I say. Okay, 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter, whatever is suitable for you on all the four sides. Tanvi, draw it, dear. Tanvi, baby, draw it. Draw the border. 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter as per your wish.
Ma'am, how much? How do we draw the border?
Just mark 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter, whatever your wish is. I have marked like this. Then I am drawing a straight line.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, Tanvi.
I can't see. It is too light.
What, dear? I have just drawn the border and I have done nothing.
Okay.
Yes. Once you both are done with the border, just say me that you are done.
I'm done.
Okay, Mihika. Tanvi, are you done with the border?
Done. Done, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now, take your red watercolor. Take your red watercolor in the coloring palette. Have you all taken? Now, this onion. Okay, this onion.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
Okay. Are you done? Just you have to take out your red watercolor into your palette.
What is palette?
Color palette or any type of plate. Will do if you do directly also. If you do directly also will do. Mika,
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Do
just
we
take
need to squish?
little of water on your brush. Only little of water, not more. Yes. With the help of the brush, just color your onion first like this. Okay. Color your onion first, and then you have to place your paper sleeping in a landscape, horizontal position. Okay. Okay. Exactly in the center we are going to do. Just place your onion. See to it that the print is coming very much proper. Okay. Okay. If my this print was not proper, but I am not going to reprint it, because see the design which I am getting, I will not get that afterwards. Okay. It will be all mixed.
I'm using watercolors, so my onions is not coming so good.
I am also using watercolors, dear.
No, I meant that we have to add water to those colors.
Yes, little bit of, yeah, little bit of. That's what I told you, na. You have to add little bit of water. Otherwise, your color won't spread, na, dear. Okay. Now, again, the one which we have done in the center, just above that. Just above that. Okay.
Where do we have to do it?
We have done one in the center. Just above that I did. Okay. Again, one more I am doing it. Again, above that. Okay. Again.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Just a second. Yes. Who was showing me? Okay. See, one, two, three, four, five. Up till now, I have done 5 prints of onion. Are you all done?
Done. Done. Done, ma'am. We can move on. Ma'am, I don't have white actually. Ma'am, I don't have white in my paint.
Okay. Do you have light pink?
No,
Pink color?
no.
Okay, then you take only red and again do it here down.
Okay.
So now slowly the color has changed. Okay, you have to do one down besides it and then we are coming up. So up a little bit near we have to do upside. Don't take color again and again. Huh? Okay, so now my printing is very much less. If I see very much less printing from the onion, only then I have to take the color. Only then I have to take the color. Okay. Do it above also. 4, again 5. Understanding?
Huh?
Then this way only do it one more, but in between this. Okay, in between these two, like this. Understood? Same manner in between these two. And if that print is light, then let it be light. See, my this print is light, it should be light. I will leave it light only. Okay, now again, I am taking color because it got too much light. Same red color. And I am doing here in the center. Again, I am doing here, here. Again, in between these two, here. Okay. Again, the print got light. So, done. Are you all done this much? Somewhere it is light, somewhere it is dark. Now the lighter portion is getting the shape, right? Shape of the onion. Yes, very good, Mika. Yes, Mika. Okay. And again we are taking the onion and placing it here in the middle of the two. In the middle of the two. Again we are placing it here in the middle of the two. In the middle of the two. Again I am placing in this center. In this center. In this center. Again in this center. So now without taking the color, I am filling the centers what I left white. Okay. Just to get the lining of the orange. Just to get the lining of the onion. Here in the center. Here in the center. And one we have to show here downside and the another here downside. Okay, done. Are you having brown color, both of you?
No,
Priyanka, you don't have?
no, I don't have. I don't have.
Okay. Okay, never mind. Yellow color, ochre yellow, dark yellow, ochre yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, so take your ochre yellow color. Just let it dry, huh? Take your ochre yellow color and a tint of white, mix in it. Okay, it's okay, Sanvi, if you're not having white, you can just take ochre yellow. Okay, I have mixed only a tint of white. Okay, we are making a flower vase. We are making a flower vase. Okay, so these onions we show as roses, right? Aren't they looking like roses? Aren't they looking like rose flower? So these onions we are showing as roses. Now down we are going to make a vase. A flower vase. Ready, both of you? Now, to your banana, sorry, I'm very much sorry. To your potato, you have to do the yellow color like this. Okay, do the yellow color like this.
Ma'am, I don't have white.
It's okay. I mentioned that, dear, that it's okay, Sanvi, if you're not having white, you can take directly of a yellow color.
Can I use brown and yellow?
Yes, you can use brown. Yes, yes. So from here, I am starting. See, the one flower which I told to be a little down, I am starting from there. I have just kept it, pressing it, and then I will slowly lift it. See, the shape is coming. Again, I am taking color. Again, I am taking the color. Now, I don't want this narrow shape. I want the bigger shape. Okay, the big shape. So I am just pressing only this part of this and lifting it up. See, again, I need only this part of this potato, the broader part, not the narrow part. And I'm pressing it like this. and slowly lifting it up. Again, same thing to the potato, the broader part, not the narrow part. Placing it like this. Now I will be kneading the narrow part also. Slowly lifting. Understood? This much part is done, both of you. If you are done this much, just say me, unmute and say me that you are done. Then we will
Done.
move ahead.
Done.
Sanvi, done?
I done too.
Now I am taking this part. Hmm? Just a second. Give me a minute. My laptop got off automatically. Give me a minute. Yeah. Done, Sanvi? Now with this part, a little darker color to this. So I am using this brown. Okay. Mihika, which dark color you have other than ochre yellow?
Blue or black
Green.
and
Okay.
green.
So you take your blue color.
Okay.
You take your blue color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I just made like this color.
Yeah. Which color is that, dear?
It is like greenish something.
Okay.
I mixed brown and yellow and green.
Okay. So I'm taking just a darker tint of ochre yellow, which is a little bit of light brown. Okay. And see how am I doing? You have to do in this manner. Just make straight line out of the broader piece of your potato. Okay. Once you have taken color, no need to again and again take the color. Okay, unless it gets light. Now my this has got absolutely light, so I'll be needing a bit of color. Okay, done. Now with the same color, slowly, you don't have to trace full, only this much. See, then here down only this much. Then again here up only this much. Again here down only this much. Again here up only this much. Here like this, a checkered pattern we are making, but my checks are little far away, not near to each other. Done? Are you done, Nika?
Yeah.
Yeah. Another part of onion you are having or you don't have?
No.
No.
Yeah. No.
You are having or you know you don't have?
Uh, I don't have.
Okay. So with this part only, now your color is fully dried.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your color is not at all there, right? In this, it is dried completely.
Yes.
Yeah. So the ochre yellow color which we took just makes a little bit of orange in that, a slightly lighter shade we need. Okay. So again on the onion, take it. Take it on the onion, the orange color. Have you taken it? Now just place it here on the flowers where we have done. Just place it somewhere in the middle to get the another shade effect. This I didn't told earlier because we had already done the red color that time and your color was wet. So we are doing this step at our last. Okay? See, Are you able to see, baby?
Yes.
Yeah. Once you are done with this, just show it to me. Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very good, dear. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Very good. So we are done with the vegetable printing activity for the day.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
You see you tomorrow too.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.